going on, guys? Got a pleasant surprise when I got home from work today. My package from Malaysia has arrived. Was not expecting it until later on this week. So I figured I'd do a bit of an I can't really call it an unboxing, well, let's call it an unpacking. See what I can do here. Now, it's been opened by Australia Post. There must have been proper sus on what was in here. Let's have a look, see if we can get in. Now, this is a full suspension rebuild kit for the GTi. Basically everything but springs and shocks to replace. So control arms, everything. Like I said, everything but short of springs and shocks. Also got brake rebuild kit there. We'll have a look through soon. So we've got here. What is this? Border Force, open for inspections. No items have been removed by the Australian Border Force. Pause that if you want to read that. Boring. Let's have a look at what we got. Oh, there. So sway bar bush. Sway bar link bushes. Pull that out of the package. Okay. Here. Oh, full arm. Control arm. Look at that. New hardware there. Hardware two. Words hard. Words are hard. Brand spanking new. Thankfully, I have a friend who lives in Malaysia. Moved over there recently, who I used to work with. Shout out to Luke. Who got me this stuff. That's a rear control arm. Yeah, so you can get this kit through a website here in Australia called the Race Cartel. Bush in there. But, you know, he charges a lot. This kit was trailing arm bushes. This kit, that's cool. That was just sitting there. So we've got the rear upper arm. Yeah, he charges things like $420. Another upper arm there. Like 420 Australian for the kit. Sway bar bush. And like another $450, I think it was, for freight. Freight is not cheap out of Malaysia. But I definitely didn't pay anywhere near that much. I think I got this entire kit for $130 plus about $300 for freight. So I saved myself a fair whack of money. Upper arm, so yeah, you can say it's not what you know it's who, you know. Geez, I hope that whole thing's in there. Yeah, clear bushes. The part numbers there. Stabilizer bush kit. And we've got another rear arm. Another front arm. Oh, don't move. So here it is. Formex Auto Parts. 0.6, 1.8 Satria. 24 pieces. Full front and rear set arm Proton Satria Arena Futura. So yeah, here we go. The bolts. So we're missing all of these from this one. Thankfully we've got the rubbers, the bolt, the shim, the nut, I'm just missing all of these. I'll suss that out. I'll figure out where I'll be able to get them from somewhere. Definitely not in there. It would have just fallen out one of the many friggin' holes that they cut in this box. Anyway, yeah, as I said, I'll put a link in the description. Well, actually, no, I can't put a link in the description for this stuff because it came from the Shopee app in Malaysia. You can't access the Malaysian Shopee app in Australia. Probably could with a VPN. I don't have one, so I didn't do that. But even if you did, they don't do shipping to Australia directly. You have to use a third party. So thankfully, like I said, my friend of mine, he ordered it for me from his Shopee account, and then it arrived within, I think, 3 days to his address. And then, oh, okay, so yeah, I've opened that. It arrived to him in 3 days, and then, yeah, he sent it, would have been, it was Tuesday last week. So it took less than a week to get here from Malaysia. I think it arrived in Melbourne on Friday. Okay, so yeah, we've got 2 front arms, 2 rear arms, I think sway bar links, front and rear. Stabilizer bush there, yeah, front and rear. Sway bar bushes, when you go over there. Trailing arms and subframe bushes. What does that say on there? Absorber mounting. Ah, that's meant to shock absorber mounting with rubbers. Cool. So yeah, I will get into all of this on the car. I'm waiting for brakes. I'm getting stock brakes for the rear because apparently you can only get stock brakes for the rear. For the front though, I'm getting what you call street setup. So slotted rotors and slightly more aggressive pads. I'll also do a brake fluid flush, but I plan to do corner by corner. So I will put the car in the air, pull the entire, say this side, pull the entire suspension kit out, put all the new stuff in, new brakes. I'm also going to rebuild the calipers. That's what this other bag is here. So again, through the Shopee app, this was, I think, all of about 22 Australian dollars. A little drive shaft boot kit. It looks like they've reused the box. Let's hope they've reused the box. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this must be exciting to watch. Right, got it finally. So this should be a rubber kit. A box inside of a box. Disc brake kit. Yeah, 53mm full. Oh, it looks old. It's sitting on a bench for a while. Looks of it. Okay. Anyway, so this should be a full front brake caliber rebuild kit. So we got that for one side, that for another side. So 2 of these big ones and 2 of these spring things there. So yeah, the rear will be pretty simple. I'll just pull everything off, put all the new stuff on, including the new calipers. The new discs and pads. The front end, on the other hand, I will pull everything off one side at a time, rebuild, completely pull the caliper apart, clean it up, paint it, replace the rubbers, and then put them all back on, flush the brake system. So I'll do that one corner at a time. I won't bore you and show you each corner. I'll probably just this is how you do the rear, and then this is how you do the front. Pull everything off, put everything back on, and then the suspension will be sick. I'll test the shocks and see if they've been leaking, check what their rebounds are. if they do need replacing, I'll just go coilovers. BC Racing coilovers, $1,500. Pay an extra $200 to get some bit of warranty, but $1,500 for they are also pillow top mount, or like harder mount, like with no camber adjustment, or you get them with camber adjustment. They're the same price. So we'll see how they go with the shocks. If they are shot, then I'll just get coilovers. If not, the stockies will just go back in again. So then the suspension will be done, and then the brakes will be done, and then I can start concentrating on the paint. Yeah, so I'll bring you along for that. In the meantime, yeah, so this is the kit. Go over it one more time. So there's 24 pieces all up. Complete suspension rebuild kit, replacing arms, everything. Yeah, it helps to know people that live in Malaysia. Be friendly with those people because they can help you out. Like I said, you can get this stuff off the race cartel. So, you know, if you don't know anybody over there and your only option is to go through him, by all means. I've gotten stuff from him before. I've gotten tow hook cover for another guy. I got cup trays, a rear badge reboot, like the rear set the badges from him. The radiator hoses, the blue radiator hoses, I got them through him. Great guy to deal with. Everything it was really fast, very sort of straightforward transaction with him. But for this, you know, potentially $900 landed here in Australia to your address, which is fine if you don't know anybody over there. I think I ended up coming close to, say, $450 to get this here through a friend of mine. So it is what it is. He, that's his job. He gets parts for people, you know, so be it. But if you do know somebody, then sweet. So yeah, just a quick one today. Just go over this, I don't call this a box anymore, but the unboxing. A bit disappointed that we're missing some parts, but thankfully they're generic stuff, so I hit up my mate down at Burson's and I'll see if he can get me some of them. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Hopefully I'll do some more stuff soon. And yeah, just more stuff to do. Yes. All right, have a good one. Hooroo.